It is getting colder at night, and that means that the furnaces are going to start to come on soon, and that raises the threat of carbon monoxide poisoning.
Yeah, our David Kaplan looked into how to keep your family safe from that level of carbon monoxide. He joins us live from Center County with that. David?
John, Amanda, according to the CDC, at least 430 people die from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning every year, and at least 50,000 end up in the emergency room. As we ease into fall, experts say now is the time to check your carbon monoxide detector. Grant Rosenberger at Ace Hardware of State College says this year has been no different than others. When it comes to cold weather means more carbon monoxide detectors are sold.
I attribute that to people thinking about it as they're turning the furnaces on, and I think the fire departments do an excellent job of really making public awareness, and so I think that drives some of those sales as well.
They have some that talk and dual detectors.
Up here is that explosive gas one and carbon monoxide.
One of the biggest causes of carbon monoxide poisoning is a plug flue or chimney, if you will.
Drake Township Fire Chief Scott Breon says only installing carbon monoxide detectors isn't enough. There's more you can do to keep your family safe.
Making sure that your main heating system is cleaned up every year, cleaned out, and make sure that you have proper ventilation through your chimney.
This detector tells you the danger level for parts per million, the measurement for amount of carbon monoxide in the air.
It might go off around 5 parts per million, but if it's above 35, you definitely do not want to be in your residence.
Without a carbon monoxide detector, Rosenberger says you may not realize the symptoms until it's too late.
You might start to feel a headache, feel tired. Those are some of the warning signs that maybe there's high levels of carbon monoxide in a home or in a room.
Rosenberger recommends you write the date on the back of a carbon monoxide detector before you put it on the wall. That way you'll know for sure when to change its batteries 6 months down the line and when to replace it 5 years later. In State College, David Kaplan, WTAJ News.